Welcome to the Intelligence Test channel. Today you'll face 110 math questions divided into 3 levels, easy, medium, and hard. Each question has 4 answer choices, and you'll have 5 seconds to choose the correct answer. There will also be true or false challenges. Ready? Then, let's begin with the easy level. What is 24 plus 17? 39, 41, 42, or 45? The correct answer is option B, 41. What is 18 minus 6? 10, 11, 12, or 14? The correct answer is option C, 12. What is 6 times 7? 48, 40, 36, or 42? The correct answer is option D, 42. What is 45 divided by 9? 4, 5, 6, or 9? The correct answer is option B, 5. The result of 8 plus 8 is 18. Is this statement true or false? The statement is false. What is half of 80? 40, 20, 30, or 45? The correct answer is option A, 40. What is double 12? 20, 22, 24, or 26? The correct answer is option C, 24. What is 9 plus 9? 17, 19, 16, or 18? The correct answer is option D, 18. What is 100 minus 30? 60, 65, 70, or 75? The correct answer is option C, 70. What is 5 times 8? 40, 38, 45, or 35? The correct answer is option A, 40. The result of 6 times 6 is 36. Is this statement true or false? The statement is true. What is 60 divided by 5? 10, 12, 14, or 15? The correct answer is option B, 12. How many days are there in a week? 5, 6, 7, or 8? The correct answer is option C, 7. Which number comes before 50? 48, 49, 51, or 52? The correct answer is option B, 49. The result of 12 minus 4 is 8. Is this statement true or false? The statement is true. If David has 5 apples and gets 3 more, how many apples does he have altogether? 6, 7, 8, or 9? The correct answer is option C, 8. What is 11 times 2? 24, 23, 21, or 22? The correct answer is option D, 22. 100 divided by 10 equals 1. Is this statement true or false? The statement is false. A square has 5 sides. Is this statement true or false? The statement is false. How many kilograms are in a metric ton? 1,000, 10,000, 100, or 500? The correct answer is option A, 1,000. Arthur had $20 and used $8 to pay a bill. How much money did he have left? $10, $12, $14, or $16? The correct answer is option B, $12. 1 kilogram equals 1,000 grams. Is this statement true or false? The statement is true. How many months are there in a year? 10, 11, 12, or 13? The correct answer is option C, 12. The number 7 is greater than the number 9. Is this statement true or false? The statement is false. A year has 365 days, except in leap years. Is this statement true or false? The statement is true. If each carton contains 6 eggs, how many eggs are there in 4 cartons? 22, 25, 26, or 24? The correct answer is option D, 24. What is 13 plus 19? 30, 31, 32, or 34? The correct answer is option C, 32. How many sides does a circle have? 0, 1, 2, or infinitely many? The correct answer is option A, 0. Half a dozen equals 8 units. Is this statement true or false? The statement is false. If each box contains 10 pencils, how many pencils are there in 5 boxes? 40, 45, 55, or 50? The correct answer is option D, 50. What is 96 divided by 8? 10, 11, 12, or 14? The correct answer is option C, 12. The number 10 is half of 25. Is this statement true or false? The statement is false. Which number comes after 199? 198, 200, 201, or 210? The correct answer is option B, 200. If you have 3 boxes and each one contains 7 balls, how many balls do you have altogether? 18, 20, 21, or 24? The correct answer is option C, 21. What is 3 plus 4 plus 5? 12, 10, 13, or 11? The correct answer is option A, 12. 15 is an odd number. Is this statement true or false? The statement is true. What is 7 times 9? 54, 60, 63, or 65? The correct answer is option C, 63. The number 48 is an even number. Is this statement true or false? The statement is true. 1 hour has 50 minutes. Is this statement true or false? The statement is false. How many minutes are in half an hour? 20, 25, 30, or 45? The correct answer is option C, 30. What is 30% of 100? 20, 10, 40, or 30? The correct answer is option D, 30. A triangle has 3 sides. Is this statement true or false? The statement is true. How many sides does a pentagon have? 4, 5, 6, or 7? The correct answer is option B, 5. Which number comes after 99? 98, 100, 101, or 110? The correct answer is option B, 100. What is 75 divided by 5? 12, 13, 14, or 15? The correct answer is option D, 15. What is 8 times 8? 56, 60, 64, or 72? The correct answer is option C, 64. How many sides does a square have? 3, 4, 5, or 6? The correct answer is option B, 4. An even number always ends in 0, 2, 4, 6, or 8. Is this statement true or false? The statement is true. What is 4 times 12? 44, 46, 48, or 52? The correct answer is option C, 48. What is 50 plus 50? 100, 95, 99, or 110? The correct answer is option A, 100. Congratulations on completing the easy level. How many questions did you get right? Let us know in the comments. Now, let's raise the challenge with the medium level. If a car travels 60 kilometers per hour, how many kilometers will it travel in 3.5 hours at the same speed? 180 kilometers, 200 kilometers, 210 kilometers, or 220 kilometers? The correct answer is option C, 210 kilometers. What is 15% of 200? 25, 20, 35, or 30? The correct answer is option D, 30. If 5 workers can build a wall in 8 days, how many days will it take 10 workers to build the same wall, working at the same rate? 2 days, 4 days, 6 days, or 16 days? The correct answer is option B, 4 days. What is 12 squared? 120, 132, 144, or 156? The correct answer is option C, 144. The square root of 81 is 9. Is this statement true or false? The statement is true. A product originally cost $80 and was discounted by 25%. What is the new price? $60, $58, $55, or $65? The correct answer is option A, $60. 50% of a number is the same as dividing that number by 4. Is this statement true or false? The statement is false. What is the average speed of a train that travels 240 kilometers in 4 hours? 40 kilometers per hour, 50 kilometers per hour, 60 kilometers per hour, or 70 kilometers per hour? The correct answer is option C, 60 kilometers per hour. What is the result of the equation shown below? 40, 30, 20, or 36? The correct answer is option D, 36. The sum of two numbers is 50. If one of them is 18, what is the other number? 28, 30, 32, or 34? The correct answer is option C, 32. What is the arithmetic mean of the numbers 10, 20, and 30? 20, 18, 15, or 25? The correct answer is option A, 20. The number 17 is a prime number. Is this statement true or false? The statement is true. If each book costs $25 and you buy 4 books, how much will you pay after receiving a 10% discount on the total purchase? $85, $87, $90, or $95? The correct answer is option C, $90. The sum of the interior angles of any triangle equals 360 degrees. Is this statement true or false? The statement is false. In a class of 40 students, 60% are girls. How many girls are in the class? 26, 22, 20, or 24? The correct answer is option D, 24. An even number multiplied by another even number always results in an even number. Is this statement true or false? The statement is true. One faucet fills a tank in 6 hours, and another fills the same tank in 3 hours. How long will it take them to fill the tank together? 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 hours, or 4 hours? The correct answer is option B, 2 hours. What is the sum of the interior angles of a triangle? 90 degrees, 180 degrees, 270 degrees, or 360 degrees? The correct answer is option B, 180 degrees. What is the result of 2 cubed plus 3 squared? 15, 17, 20, or 24? The correct answer is option B, 17. The result of 5 squared is equal to 10. Is this statement true or false? The statement is false. A number is divisible by 3 if the sum of its digits is divisible by 3. Is this statement true or false? The statement is true. What is the square root of 144? 12, 11, 16, or 10? The correct answer is option A, 12. What is the result of 9 times 7 minus 15? 38, 42, 48, or 52? The correct answer is option C, 48. The number 1 is considered a prime number. Is this statement true or false? The statement is false. Which number comes next in the sequence below? 20, 24, 30, or 32? The correct answer is option D, 32. Congratulations! You've completed the medium level. Now the real challenge begins. The hard level was designed to test even the sharpest minds. Only 3% of participants managed to answer more than 20 questions correctly at this stage. Are you one of them? Let's find out. If 8 workers can build a house in 20 days, how many workers would be needed to build the same house in 8 days? 16, 18, 20, or 22? The correct answer is option C, 20. Multiplying a number by 0.5 is the same as calculating 50% of that number. Is this statement true or false? The statement is true. If an investment of $5,000 earns simple interest at 8% per year, what will be the total amount after 3 years? $6,200, $6,000, $5,800, or $6,500? The correct answer is option A, $6,200. What is the sum of the natural numbers from 1 to 10? 45, 60, 50, or 55? The correct answer is option D, 55. If x plus 7 equals 22, what is the value of x? 13, 14, 15, or 16? The correct answer is option C, 15. What is the least common multiple of 4 and 6? 12, 8, 6, or 18? The correct answer is option A, 12. There are 12 students in a classroom. The teacher decides to divide them into 3 groups with the same number of students. How many students will be in each group? 3, 4, 5, or 6? The correct answer is option B, 4. If the price of a product increases by 20% and then decreases by 20%, will the final price be equal to the original price? Yes, it is equal, no, it is higher, no, it is lower, or it depends on the original price. The correct answer is option C, no, it is lower. What is the result of 2 raised to the power of 10? 512, 1024, 2048, or 4096? The correct answer is option B, 1024. In an arithmetic progression whose first term is 5 and common difference is 4, what is the 10th term? 38, 41, 45, or 49? The correct answer is option B, 41. If the area of a square is 64 square centimeters, what is its perimeter? 24 centimeters, 28 centimeters, 32 centimeters, or 36 centimeters? The correct answer is option C, 32 centimeters. What is the value of pi, rounded to 2 decimal places? 3.12, 3.14, 3.16, or 3.18? The correct answer is option B, 3.14. If 3 identical faucets fill a tank in 4 hours, how long will 6 identical faucets take to fill the same tank? 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 hours, or 4 hours? The correct answer is option B, 2 hours. What is the solution to the equation shown below? X equals 5, x equals 6, x equals 7, or x equals 8? The correct answer is C, x equals 7. How many diagonals does a regular hexagon have? 6, 7, 8, or 9? The correct answer is option D, 9. The number 1 has no divisors. Is this statement true or false? The statement is false. The number 96 is an even number. Is this statement true or false? The statement is true. If you invest $2,000 at a compound interest rate of 10% per year, what will be the total amount after 2 years? $2,400, $2,420, $2,440, or $2,480? The correct answer is option B, $2,420. What is the sum of the interior angles of a hexagon? 540 degrees, 630 degrees, 720 degrees, or 810 degrees? The correct answer is option C, 720 degrees. In how many different ways can you form a pair from a group of 5 people? 8, 10, 12, or 15? The correct answer is option B, 10. If a car uses 8 liters of fuel every 100 kilometers, how many liters will it use to travel 350 kilometers, assuming the same average fuel consumption? 24 liters, 26 liters, 28 liters, or 30 liters? The correct answer is option C, 28 liters. What is the value of x in the equation below? 2, 5, 3, or 4? The correct answer is option D, 4. Every prime number, except 2, is odd. Is this statement true or false? The statement is true. 2 numbers are in the ratio of 3 to 5. If the smaller number is 18, what is the larger number? 30, 27, 24, or 32? The correct answer is option A, 30. What is the volume of a cube whose edge measures 5 centimeters? 135 cubic centimeters, 115 cubic centimeters, 100 cubic centimeters, or 125 cubic centimeters? The correct answer is D, 125 cubic centimeters. What is the result of 7 factorial? 720, 2520, 5040, or 10,080? The correct answer is option C, 5040. The sum of two even numbers is always an odd number. Is this statement true or false? The statement is false. The sum of the ages of two people is 60 years. If one person is twice as old as the other, how old is the younger person? 18 years, 20 years, 22 years, or 24 years? The correct answer is option B, 20 years. How many integers from 1 to 100 are divisible by 7? 12, 13, 14, or 15? The correct answer is option C, 14. What is the result of the equation shown below? 44, 48, 52, or 56? The correct answer is option B, 48. What is the logarithm of 1000 in base 10? 1, 2, 3, or 10? The correct answer is option C, 3. The square root of a negative number is always a real number. Is this statement true or false? The statement is false. In any triangle, the sum of any two sides is always greater than the third side. Is this statement true or false? The statement is true. A number leaves a remainder of 3 when divided by 7 and a remainder of 2 when divided by 5. Which of the following could represent that number? 17, 24, 32, or 38? The correct answer is option A, 17. If the probability of an event occurring is 25%, what is the probability that it will not occur? 75%, 65%, 50%, or 80%? The correct answer is option A, 75%. Congratulations on reaching the end of the test. How many questions did you answer correctly? Leave your score in the comments, and tell us which level you found the most challenging, easy, medium, or hard. If you enjoyed the video, give it a like, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next challenge.